National Disaster Response Force personnel evacuate villagers residing in low-lying areas ahead of Cyclone Amphan landfall near Dhamra in Odisha, Bhadrak district on Tuesday. Cyclone Amphan is all set to slam into West Bengal and Odisha on Wednesday afternoon, packing winds gusting to a speed of 185 km per hour. It will also bring with it torrential rainfall, threatening to inundate low-lying areas of human habitation. The authorities have already warned of extensive damage to crops and public properties at a time when the nation has its hand full of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the India Meteorological Department, Amphan is expected to make landfall between Digha in West Bengal and Hatia Island in Bangladesh as a very severe cyclonic storm. Its intensity has reduced marginally. At 6:30 a.m., Amphan lay centered over northwest Bay of Bengal, about 125 km southeast of Paradip, the IMD said on Tuesday morning. The two states which will be affected the most by the movement of the cyclone are West Bengal and Odisha. Its impact will be visible in Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya too. The districts to be affected in Odisha are Jagatsinghpura, Bhadrak, Balasore and Kendrapara. In West Bengal, East Midnapur, North 24 Parganas and South 24 Parganas are expected to bear the brunt of the cyclone. It has already started raining in coastal district of Odisha, and Paradip is witnessing the strong winds. Nearly 4.2 people will be moved to safety in the coastal region of India and Bangladesh. Amphan was a massive cyclone, 700 km in extent and 15 km in height, when it was rotating around its center in the central parts of Bay of Bengal on Monday. The cyclone is expected to cause a heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over West Bengal and heavy to very heavy rainfall over north coastal Odisha. It will also cause heavy to very heavy rainfall over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on May 20 and 21. Also Assam and Meghalaya on May 21st. The National Disaster Response Force has 15 teams in Odisha, 19 in West Bengal and 2 in reserve for rescue and relief efforts. The storm surge is expected to be 4 to 6 meters above the astronomical tide in parts of West Bengal, flooding low-lying areas in the 3 districts when it makes landfall. Wind speed in Kolkata, Hooghly and Howrah are likely to range between 110 to 120 kilometers, reaching to the 130 kilometer per hour speed. Gale force wind of 75 kilometers to 85 kilometer, gusting to 95 kilometers per hour are likely to lash the North Odisha coast. Amphan has been billed as the most intense cyclone in the Bay of Bengal since a 1999 storm devastated Odisha, killing around 9,000 people. Odisha was hit by a super cyclone that left nearly 10,000 dead in 1999. 8 years after, a typhoon, tornadoes and flooding killed 139,000 in Bangladesh.